Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electronics with Neha, and I am Neha Gaute. Today's our topic is BCD codes. Okay, what is actually BCD codes? BCD code is the one type of the binary numbers which consists of 4-bit binary number. That means they will consist only 4-bit binary number. Okay, BCD 4 bits can represented, we know that 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. That is our 4-bit representation. BCD code consists of 0 0 0 to 1 0 0 1. That means first 10 numbers they will consider, remaining 6 combinations it's a invalid BCD. Okay, so this is our BCD numbers. BCD is the 4-bit binary number. That means they will consist in decimal form 0 to 9. Binary numbers write down in 0 to 9. We know that 0 0 0 to 1 0 0 1. And same like that, these are the BCD codes. They will start from 0 0 0 to 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is our BCD number. In the exam, they will ask the conversion of the BCD codes. That means they will give the decimal numbers converted into the BCD code. That time we have to write down each and every digit of the decimal numbers. We write in the 4-bit binary representation. Let's see the one by one example. Let's start. The first example is 124 in decimal form because base is 10 converted into the BCD. So write down the first given decimal number as it is 124. To convert it into the BCD form, we write down each and every digit in the 4-bit binary form. Okay, 4-bit binary form. So how to write 1 in the 4-bit binary? 0 0 0 1. Then write down the 2 for the 4-bit binary, 0 0 1 0. Write down the 4 in 4-bit binary, 0 1 0 0. This is our BCD conversion. So 124 in decimal form we converted into the BCD. It's 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 is in the form of BCD. Okay, so this is our BCD conversion. Let's see another one example. Next example is 429. The base is 10, so it is decimal. We converted into the BCD form. So write down the given number 429. Okay, how to write 4 in 4-bit binary? Again 0 0 1 0. How to write 0 0 1 0 0. How to write 0 0 1 0. And write down the 9 in the 4-bit binary, 1 0 0 1. This is our conversion in the BCD form. 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is in the BCD form. Okay, let's see another one example. 157 converted into the BCD form. Write down given number 157. Write down each and every digit. These are the digit. Okay, write down each and every digit in 4-bit binary. Okay, so how to write 1 in the 4-bit binary? 0 0 0 1. Then how to write 5 in 4-bit binary? 0 1 0 1. How to write 7 in 4-bit binary? 0 1 1 1. This is the converting answer in BCD form. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. This is in the BCD conversion. Okay, got it? This is the conversion of our given number into the BCD form. Once again, BCD consists of only 0 to 9 number. That means 10 combinations of the 4-bit binary. and we have to write down as it is 4-bit binary number. Okay. In this video we see the BCD numbers, how to write BCD numbers. In next video we will see addition of the BCD numbers. Okay. If you have to like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.